Oof.
Who would turn ice cream down?
It's okay, I don't mind.
Who would have ice cream later on?
Later on. For me.
In theory, later on, I would do it.
What would you do later on, in theory?
I would love.
Did anybody get to taste Isaac's sandwich?
Yes. I think we each had a bite. Did you have a bite of Isaac's
I
sandwich?
had Isaac's sandwich. I didn't have any of Isaac's sandwich.
Why is that funny?
I don't know.
Yes, you did have my sandwich. You had a nice big bite.
It was good. I love that bread. I love that bread. What does it have?
Apples and raisins.
It's yummy. Who are these clowns?
Stop.
I don't know.
They don't know how to act.
I think I'm related to them.
Oh. In that case, sorry to hear it.
That makes me a clown too.
Oh, well, excuse me. You guys, careful there. You guys are going a little overboard.
I have a cold.
I don't think he has a cold.
I don't think so.
I think for the sake of
You do?
posterity, I'm gonna take a little bit more of this.
A little for the sake of posterity. You're gonna have a little more pasta for posterity.
Yeah.
What about the sake of ravioli?
I said there was one for each of us, but you can
I can take half of everybody's share.
No, you took mine, that's fine.
No, Grandma.
Yes, I don't want nothing but another ravioli.
You can have mine too.
Okay. Well,
I think that I'm just a cleanup disposal. That's all I'm good for.
I like pepper. And I like cinnamon on a lot of things.
Really? On bitter things?
All kinds of things. And tamari sauce, I use it for breakfast.
Mmm. What do you put tamari sauce on?
On porridge.
On porridge?
Yeah.
Is that your only source
Barley.
of flavor?